Take a ride in the 2020 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Feel a rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.